Hi, I'm Maria Dean and I teach Pilates for PhysioPilates. Today I'm going to show you a lovely sequence for those of you who would like a challenge but aren't quite ready in that secure double tabletop yet. All you need is either a Swiss gymball or perhaps a box or the edge of your sofa, but a Swiss gymball is ideal. So lying down on your mat, the back of your neck should be nice and long, your shoulders are reaching away from your ears, the back of your ribs you can feel down on the ground, the front of your ribs are soft. Our pelvis is in neutral, so we've got a small arch in our lower back, and then our thighs are coming straight up, we've got about a 90-degree angle behind our knees and our feet are resting on the ball. Have a breath in, engage the centre, and then as you breathe out, we can take the arms up towards the ceiling. Breathing in to pause, and then as we're breathing out, we take them overhead as far as we can without the ribs lifting, and then draw them round to the sides, down to the knees, and then back up to the ceiling. So breathing out and in. To increase the challenge, we take the feet so that they're just pointing. We've just got the toe tips resting on the ball. And then we can lower the arms, and we're going to do a version of scissors level 1. So breath in to prepare, make sure that centre's engaged, and then as you breathe out, we're going to take one toe off the ball and return, and then the other toe off the ball and return. So we breathe out to lift, breathe in to lower. And we're concentrating on those abdominal muscles, making sure that they're drawing inwards rather than pushing out. So you might like to rest your hands on your tummy just to check what's going on. Next, we're going to do a version of scissors level 2. So we're going to tap one toe to the ground and return, and then the other toe to the ground and return. Still, those abdominal muscles are just gently drawing away from your fingertips. And the arch in our lower back is staying completely still. No movement in the pelvis or the lower back. Breathing out to tap, in to return. The next level of challenge is to stretch one leg now. Breathing in to prepare, breathing out, stretch one leg away, and then breathing in, return. And then our final challenge is to keep the toe tips on the ball, and then we're going to roll it away as we breathe out. Breathing in, roll it back to us. All the while, we've got the abdominal muscles drawing inwards and the lower back staying completely still. Check that the shoulders still well away from your ears. Last one. And then we can relax the feet, take one leg down to the mat and then the other. I hope you found that a fun set of exercises and really challenging for those tummy muscles.